Hi, hello everyone. This is Supriya. Today I am here to show you sunset painting with the use of oil pastels. This video is requested by Narendra Kumar Jain. Thank you everyone for showing me lots of love. Today I am here to show you sunset shading with the using black, red and yellow colors. Yellow for the sun. We have to make a lightish part with the yellow color, and red is used for the darker shade, and orange is mostly used for the sky. Here I am using the blending tool like tissue or earbud. Please do not use hand for blending. This you can even do it with a normal color crayons. I am showing here a easy technique for a blending and even coloring. Here I am using camel oil pastels. For better results, please do use camel oil pastels. These colors will be thick and easy to use. Make sure that your shading should be from dark color to light color. And later blend the part with the tissue paper.